How to easily get gold stickers in Monopoly Go. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So there are three ways to do it. First one is that you be the first one in the tournament, and after you reach the first place in tournament you would be getting minimum 1 5-star card, and that's the best one when you open up your rewards. So the second way is that when you open up your album, and you can select any of the card of your choice that you don't have, but make sure that you are selecting the gold card. After that, when you open it up, you would be able to see an option of ask the group at the bottom. Just simply click on it, and this way you would be able to share it up on Facebook, and anyone who has that particular gold card would be able to give it to you. And that is the second way. The third way is that you open up the album and click on the safe or the vault, and there you would be able to see the last reward, and it is worth 2500 stars. And when you open it up, you would be able to get at least one gold card, and this is the third way to get gold stickers on Monopoly Go. So I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.